Been asked to show the installation on this little rubber model. The rubber model itself is made of this foam, very cheap, £1.99, designed for rubber power for ages 6+, adult supervision required. I had an adult to supervise me, so that's alright. But converted nicely into a radio control model. The parts were just salvaged from a crashed lightweight model. The usual servo brick there with receiver on board and speed controller, hot glued onto approximately over the centre of gravity. Same with that side. Battery sits this side. The battery socket hot glued onto the side, bit of velcro. I can just plug the battery in, velcro it on, and it's very quick, again over the centre of gravity roughly. The motor angled down 2 or 3 degrees, hot glued up all in there, angled right, probably only 1 degree if I'm lucky. Push rods are 1mm carbon, going through bits from the crash model just to steady it mid, stop it flexing. The rudder, again just cut about 50%, but a sellotape as a hinge. And same with the elevators, cut approximately 50%. I'd sooner have a big control surface moving small amount than the other way around. A little bit of carbon there just to act as a tail skid. Keep the elevator off the floor a bit, protect the horn. And that's it. Otherwise than that, it just toogles around the sky, £1.99. Gets all the bits from an aeroplane into the air. Yeah, quite pleasing really.